Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sarah. In today's video I am doing the individual crochet braid twist. So this is a DIY video on how to do them yourself. So if you cannot afford to buy yourself the ready-made ones, you can take your hair extension that you've got or buy yourself one and do them yourself. So this is very easy, effortless, it doesn't hit too much on the pocket. So if you can see the picture here, I have installed them on my daughter. I could not record as my battery was very low, but I opted for this hairstyle because it's very easy, it's very it's and quick to install as well. I wish I would have done a video to show you how I install them, but when I undo the hairstyle I will definitely take a video for you to see, and I'll also show you how I install them. It's quick, guys. It's very quick to install them. It's very quick to take them out as well. And what I love about them is that you can take them out very nicely, wash them, and then you can then reuse them again. You don't have to throw them away if you decide to. However, you can choose the length that you want, because this is a DIY, you're doing it yourself. You can choose the size that you want, the style, and there's different kinds of braids that one can do and learn. And I also can do this to train yourself if you have not perfected your twist yet. This is the method. You don't have a model to train on, you can use this method, just to get that hang, just to know how to do them and perfect yourself. So yeah, thank you very guys for watching, and I hope this video was very helpful. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Hit the notification button so when I load your new videos you will be notified. Show your girl some love. Thank you for watching, and enjoy this video. Bye.